Hey, what's up everybody? Kyle here from Everything High Level. Today, I want to show you how easy it is to launch TikTok ads in Play. Now, Play's released some new features since my last TikTok video. Now we can do hashtag targeting, we can do lead ads using a lead form, and we can do zip code targeting, which is all really cool. Now, before we jump into that, I want to show you the creatives that I've picked. I decided to go with med spas for this video. Now, if you haven't seen my previous video on how I find viral video ideas for ads, definitely go watch that video. But essentially, all we do is we jump into Facebook. We're going to search our niche. In this case, I searched med spas, and I found a few videos that had over 1 million views. That's what you want to look for. You want to see videos that have millions of views and a ton of engagement. And then you want to take that video, show it to your client, get them to basically reproduce something similar to that. And then you want to add some sort of call to action at the end. Usually it's some sort of verbal call to action, but you can also do like a text-based call to action. Now, let's jump back into my other screen here. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is navigate to your advertisement dashboard, and then we're going to click TikTok. And you're going to click this drop-down menu here. And if you were running ads previously for another business, you can just remove the prompts there. And we're going to add in the 3 or 4 prompts here. So the first one is the landing page. Now, I just picked a random med spa locally to me. So I'm going to copy their URL, and then we're going to paste it here. And then we're just going to describe the business. So we can say, we'll just say med spa. And then the name of the business, this business is called Derma Spa. I think that was the name. Yeah, Derma Spa. And then we'll let Play generate the description. Now you can write the description yourself if you want, but in this case, we'll just click generate description. And it just takes a second. Essentially, Play will write some generic description, and then it'll create copy from this once we click generate content. Now, if you click this advanced button here, you can actually add in an offer that will display in the copy. So for example, if you wanted to write something like get 10% off your first, I don't know, Botox treatment. So we can do that, and then we'll click generate content, and then it's just loading the information in. It's going to create the ad copy. Now, Play doesn't recommend the videos for TikTok like it normally does for Facebook, and the reason is running TikTok ads is a beast of its own, and creative is so crucial. That's why I recommend using custom content if you're going to do TikTok ads rather than any of the stock footage that Play has. So we'll just let this finish loading here. Okay, great. So it's finished loading, and you can see the recommended targeting is already suggested for us. And then the creatives will add in. But before we do that, let's just go take a look at the targeting, because I want to show you the new hashtag targeting feature. And we'll click edit. So you can see, yeah, Play's selected all these different hashtags, but let's just remove them and add in our own ones just for the sake of the video. Now you can also select interests. So if we did something like skincare, or let me just take a look. Actually, what are the interests? So we could do, let's go back to skin. There we go. So you can see the skincare interest is selected, but let's say we want to use hashtag skincare. Well, we just type skincare, and you can see, okay, hashtag skincare is there as well. So if you're not familiar with what hashtags are, essentially you can add a hashtag to your organic video, and it's going to help increase the reach of your organic video. So if anyone's searching, skincare, well, your video might appear, in the search when people do that. Now, what's the advantage to us marketers to target hashtags? Well, if you want to reach your competitors' audiences, then you can just type in the hashtag your competitor, whatever that is. So if we're doing, to give you an example, if you were HighLevel running ads on TikTok, well, your competitor would be ClickFunnels. So you could go hashtag ClickFunnels, And anybody that's viewed a video that had that hashtag ClickFunnels is now going to get retargeted in your ads. So that's one great benefit of using hashtags when doing targeting on TikTok. So Play has this feature now. So we can add in some more hashtags. Let's do like permanent makeup, for example, permanent. I don't know how to spell permanent. There we go. I had to Google it. So we have permanent makeup. Let's click that here. Okay, great. Oops. There we go. So now we have hashtag permanent makeup. Let's do permanent eyebrows. What else can we do? Let's do like, I don't know. Let's just do body contouring. Maybe I think that's something that's, I'm not in the med spa niche, but I think body contouring is something. Let's see if it shows up as a hashtag. I actually don't know if it will. Doesn't look like it. Let's just do contouring. See if that shows up. Contouring. Although I think that might be something related to makeup. Okay, we just won't do that. All right, so that's fine. We'll just leave it there and then we'll hit next. Okay, so now we can select our targeting. I'll just select the city I'm in. So we'll do Vancouver. There you go, and you can see Vancouver is selected. Now, they also added in area codes. So if you were doing like a zip code or area code, I don't know one off the top of my head, but let's just go like 70. Okay, we'll just select this one. Where's that? I don't know. Let's see randomly. Okay, I guess that's an area code in New Orleans area. So yeah, you can select zip codes now as well. We'll remove that one, and then we'll hit next. And then like usual, we can select our age and gender. I guess in this case, since it's med spa, we can assume it's probably mostly females. So we'll select that. And I think age is fine. We'll leave it 18 to 65 and we'll hit next. And then now we can start adding in the creatives. So I selected some videos previously from TikTok, so I'm just going to upload those. We could upload directly from TikTok if we have, if we've previously launched TikTok ads, we can reuse those. But in this case, I'm just going to upload from my computer here, and I'm going to select these three here, and it'll probably take a couple seconds to load these videos in. Okay, so we can see those videos have loaded in, and you can click through them and view them all by clicking these little circles here. Now, we can add in our logo as well. I'm just going to leave it at whatever this default logo is because I don't have a logo for this business. But lastly, what you need to do is add in the lead form. Now, normally, if you were to run Facebook ads or Instagram ads, you could create the lead form directly in Play. However, TikTok hasn't added that feature yet where Play can just pull from TikTok and build it inside their platform. So actually what you do need to do is go to TikTok and create the lead form. Now I'm going to show you how to do that because it's super easy. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is log into your TikTok Business Manager. Once you're logged in, you're going to navigate to Tools and then you're going to click Instant Page. Now once you're on the Instant Page, you're going to click this red button that says Create. And then you're going to select between Advanced Form or Classic Form. In this case, I'm just going to click Classic Form. We'll hit the red button at the bottom that says Confirm. And then this is where you set up your TikTok lead form. Now, we'll just do it quickly together. We can name it Med Spa Form 1. And then you have your form type. So you can either go for more volume or higher intent. In this case, we'll just do more volume. Now you can add in tracking parameters. We're just gonna not do it for this video. And then introduction, you can add in the logo, the display name, which would be the company name. So we'll call it Derma Spa. A brief headline, we do spa treatment or something like that. That's fine. And then questions. Now, these are your information questions, so like email and name and then phone number. You can add in other personal information by clicking that drop down there. And then you can also add in custom questions, and you can even have conditional logic set to these questions. So let's see what questions they have. So you can do short answer, multiple choice, appointment scheduling, and some conditional answers. So we won't do any for this video, but you can go through and test that yourself. And then lastly, you just need to add in the privacy policy. So we'll paste that in there. We'll add in their business name here. We'll say View Derma Spas privacy policy. And then we'll click the thank you screen, and this looks fine. This is fine. And we'll just go to website or sign and say view website. And I'll just post their website there. Okay, and that's done. We'll click complete. Or actually, let's hit save first. Great, and then we're gonna click complete. Oh, I guess we do need to fill out some of this. Okay, I guess we do need to fill out a logo. Okay, I fixed those errors, but essentially there's just a few things that I had to fix. And then we click create, and then you can see, okay, it was successfully created. Now we're gonna go back to Play now, and it should show up. We may need to hit refresh here. Let's take a look. Oh no, it appears now. So there it is, Med Spa Form 1. We'll click it. Great. So now that's set. And then the ad is essentially done. You have the descriptions and the business name here for the copy. Now, keep in mind, the ad copy on TikTok is a lot less than Facebook. It's one line maximum. So you can add multiple ones to test here. If you want, you just click the plus sign. We'll leave it to 1 for now. But, keep in mind, it's short. You just want a basic, just a basic sentence. In this case, it says experience the ultimate in skin rejuvenation, and you can write whatever you want, but that looks fine to me. We'll hit done. And then you can add in your budget. That's the last thing. $100 seems fine to me. We'll hit next. And then you click create, and it'll ask to confirm. I'm not going to do it because I'm not actually running ads for this business, but you would just click confirm and the ad would be done. Now, I want to mention one very cool feature of Play is that once you've created an ad in, let's say TikTok, well, you can navigate now to Facebook, and you'll see Play has already created the ad in Facebook. You can navigate to Google search, and Play has already created that ad for you in Google search. So launching it just takes a second in any of these other platforms. So to give you an example, if we click Facebook right now and we give it a second to load, there you go, it's loaded. Now you'll see, oh, awesome. It's already selected targeting for Facebook ads. It's selected these videos from, Play's massive library of stock videos. It's created the copy for us, the headlines. The call to action is selected. Of course, you can change it to whatever you want by just clicking the drop down. And then all you need to do is either create a lead form or select one that you previously have. But that's it. Facebook, Instagram, it's done in a matter of seconds. Now let's quickly take a look at Google even. Let's say Google search. Let's see what it's created for us. Well, again, the keywords are selected for the Google search campaign, and all the headlines are already created for us. The descriptions are created. In this case, if we wanted to do a Google lead form, you just toggle that on. If you want to add a phone number, you type it in there. Or if you want to show on Google Maps, well, then you toggle that on as well. But that's it. This is how easy it is when using Play to launch ads across all channels. It's so easy. It's an incredible offer to your clients. And if you're new here and thinking about trying it, just do it. Give it a try, see how you like it, and that's it. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, as usual, drop them down below. I answer everything. If you want to join the Facebook group, I'll put a link in the description for that as well. And if you want to give Play a 14-day test drive, well, I'll drop the link for that in the description as well. But yeah, until next time, guys, take care.